Hey, 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 it's Krepsyk, and today we're attempting to make a mega pancake in an Instant Pot. You can't see it, but there's a Instant Pot over there. So, we gotta make a pancake. You need 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 2 cups of flour, pinch of salt, a little bit of vanilla if you like it, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1.5 cups of milk, and you're going to need some cooking spray to spray down the inside of your Instant Pot. So I'm going to throw all this together and start mixing. Alright, in case nobody's ever baked before, we're talking a very little bit of vanilla. We're talking just a little, ooh, that's probably too much. But that's how much vanilla we're talking. And when we're talking a pinch of salt, I mean we're talking half of this, right? So maybe a little bit more. Maybe. Not too much. Not too much. So I'm going to go ahead. Obviously the baking powder is doing its thing right now, so I'm going to hit this in the mixer and we're going to go ahead and get this mixed up. Alright, now, full disclosure, I don't know if this recipe I found is a joke. I gotta spray it down. Oh no, I lost my cap! There we go. Alright, I'm gonna hit this with a liberal amount of cooking spray because I have no idea. Also, I've never done this, so either the joke is going to be on me or this is going to be the most insane, wonderful pancake I've ever seen. I don't have a spatula. There we go. Just in time, making a pancake. Okay, so that is going to go in there, and we are supposed to let it go for like 50 minutes, but anybody who's ever baked something knows that you can just go ahead, pop that open at 45 minutes, hit it with a toothpick, and check it then. So, that's what we're going to do. We're going to leave it in the Instant Pot for 45 minutes, check it, and if it's not done, we'll leave it in for another 5 to 10. Alright, and as promised, I said we'd check it at 45 minutes. Let's go ahead and take a look. Alright, that is not done. I guess we'll check it again in another 10, maybe 15 minutes. Alright, I have been checking this periodically for almost an hour and 40 minutes. I think we finally hit the point where it's ready. Now, I don't know if my batter wasn't quite thin enough, maybe? Maybe I had a little bit too much flour. But, according to the toothpick trick, we have a finished pancake. So, I guess results may vary. I'm going to go ahead and try and wiggle this bad boy out. I don't know exactly how hard that's going to be. I do know that I'm going to have to let this cool a little bit because the edge, it's definitely hot, right? So, alright, so an hour and 40 minutes at whatever this particular one is. I don't have a temperature setting. So, maybe I should get some light on there. I don't know. It doesn't matter. Let me let this cool off and we'll get it out and see what it looks like. Alright, this has finally cooled off enough that we can handle it. So, I'm going to take this plate, I'm going to flip it on over, and we're going to very carefully, I don't think I can show this on camera, pull, and we're going to just, oh wait, I might be able to. Hold on, here we go. And, yeah! We made a cake. This, it's not a pancake, man. It's a cake. Oh God! It's a cake. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a knife, and we're gonna cut into this bad boy, and see how cake-like it is, and not pancake-like it is. All right, we got ourselves a knife, obviously for cutting cakes. Let's go ahead and get into this bad boy and see what we are working with. Oh wow, that's like literally a cake. It's just a cake. Folks, we made a cake. I gotta try and get a good angle on this. We learned how to bake a cake in a crock pot today. This is not a pancake. This is a regular cake. I recommend just making the pancake. Just make the pancake, right? Just make the pancake. However, if you want to make a regular cake, if you want to bake a cake for like a birthday party or something like that, you can do this. You can just get your Instant Pot and your whatever. So I was going to do syrup, but I guess icing would be more befitting. So we made a cake. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed this very educational video. Yeah, happy birthday. That's right. It's a birthday cake. All right. I guess that's going to be it. So, you all have a great day. This was Krepsyk, and I'm getting out of here. It's not sweet like a cake. It's definitely a pancake. I would just make a pancake, honestly. The novelty wears off pretty quick.